Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw a coffin. There's many different pictures on how to draw a coffin on this channel, many different tutorials, but this is one other different way to do it. So it's going to be step-by-step for beginners, Halloween. Let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line across for the top. I'm going to angle it off to the right. Go over here, angle it off to the left. Gonna pull down over here, line over here in here, just kind of pulling it in and pulling across. Over here, angle it this way. Angle it like this. Line over here and angle it downward. Okay, you're causing another layer, right? The whole idea is that this is a box, right? It's just shaped kind of like this, I don't know, hexagon thing. So that's pretty much kind of the whole idea of it. Line across here, and you can make this totally flat if you want. It's cool when the coffin is standing up, so we can kind of do that in this one too. So let's just do some grass, zigzag grass, to kind of make it look like, hey, it's standing up right here on the wall, right? Like Dracula's coffin. Just kind of doing some zigzag there to make it look like even this is the ground, right? And if you even like and draw a couple of lines across here to really make it look like it's the ground right there, like it's really set on terra firma. All right, let's go over here and draw like a kind of a cross on it. So I'm going to draw a line across, down. Oops, a daisy. Sorry, move the paper there a little bit. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button. This is a Halloween drawing channel. When you subscribe now, you subscribe for every Halloween in the next few years. Because when Halloween starts rolling around, you're just going to start seeing these cool Halloween drawing videos on your feed automatically, like next year, you know, when you don't have to do anything. It's completely, there's no downside to it. It's just extra fun to have on your feed. So hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Because otherwise, if you don't press a bell notification, it won't really show you. Pull down here, okay, cool. It's gonna be the top of a cross symbol. Line over here, line over here. Down, down. Line over here on this side. Line over here on this side. Downward, downward, line across. Cool, cool, cool. Now we're gonna make this cross more 3D, right? You wanna make it a little bit more three-dimensional, like it's coming out at us. So I'm gonna add an angle. I'm gonna put these angles at this side. See that angle right there? Little line. Little line, only the stuff on this side, so only the corners on this end. Like there, like there, like there, like there. And now from this line, I'm going to draw a straight line across. Oops, meet that there. You got to like line over here, downward, 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 line across. It's going to give that more depth, like it's this 3D cross on top of it. So just kind of keep that in mind, because it's a lot. It makes it more interesting, and it's going to make it a little more believable when you have little details like that. So just got to keep that in mind, okay? The other thing is I want to throw a gate behind there. So like, for example, like a scary gate, line up behind the grass, another line behind the grass, another line behind the grass, another line behind the grass right there. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Okay, so you have these sticks sticking up, right? And I'm gonna draw a line right through the top. So I'm gonna kind of curve with the earth a little bit, or you can just draw it straight across. Over here on this side, straight across. See how nice that looks? Looks really nice there outdoors. Let's add a couple more details, okay? Just to kind of do it. So let's add like a ghost around the corner, like this guy's being haunted. So just a quick little ghost. Let's draw a wiggly arm right there, right? Up over here. Maybe another wiggly arm going the other way. And wiggling over here. Try to make the line thinner, because you want it to kind of fall back into the background. It's not the focus, right? See how thick the line is here compared to that? You can do it fine. You can thicken the line out there as well. It's not a big deal. I'm just saying I would recommend making this line a little bit thicker. Little ghost mouth. Eye. Right there, okay? So now you have like a ghost one around. You could add another one over here, or what you could do is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add like the moon back there. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve. And I'm gonna go over here and draw like this little like bunch of pillows. It looks like it's a cloud going in front of the moon to give it some scale, right? And it also gives a little bit of ambiance. You could draw the whole cloud underneath, or you could just leave it like that, right? You could leave it like it's this shape, again, falling back into the background. And that's kind of what's cool about it. You're creating this, the spirit of Halloween. And then if you really want to throw more into it, you can throw line, like the M, and the M represents like bats in the dark right there. I guess it could be like ravens or something like that. Usually it's birds if this was daylight, but because this is a coffin, you just kind of like assume it's nighttime. If there's like a ghost, you absolutely assume that. We can even fill this in. You could fill in the eyes of the ghost and the mouth. Actually, let's open the mouth up a little bit more. See, it's cool. You can kind of change this stuff up when it's filled in. You can literally kind of change and move. At least the dark shapes, you can kind of move them around, and it makes stuff a lot easier and more malleable, right? But it's just fun anyway. Happy Halloween, guys. Halloween season's coming, so I want you to do something for the channel. Please help out for free. Share this video on Twitter or anywhere that's shareable. It helps the channel out, and we want to hit a decent amount of subscribers this year. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and I think you're just beautiful people. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.